Another day, another dollar. Today is Wednesday, and these are the top 5 things to know today. Kicking things off at number 1. Coronavirus headlines will once again remain the main driver of sentiment in financial markets. Europe has become the main battleground against the virus, with the total number of cases and deaths continuing to soar in Italy and Spain. We also see a worrying increase in France and Germany as well. Across the Atlantic in the U.S., total confirmed cases are nearing 7,000, with the total death toll crossing above the 100 mark. So really the health crisis is showing no signs of slowing down. Investors will be keeping their eyes open regarding further details on fiscal stimulus measures from global governments in order to cushion the economic impact of the coronavirus outbreak. The Trump administration on Tuesday unveiled a stimulus package of as much as $1.2 trillion. That includes directly mailing checks of as much as $1,000 to every American citizen. So if we do get further details regarding that could sway sentiment today. On to number 2. Markets on Wall Street bracing for another volatile session. Futures on the Dow are indicating an opening loss of more than 1,000 points. Futures on the S&P 500 and NASDAQ are also down more than 5% in limit down territory once again. Wall Street has been on an unprecedented run of volatility lately. The S&P 500 has swung 4% in either direction for 7 consecutive sessions. That tops the previous record seen in November 1929, really the peak of the Great Depression. So we're living through historic times here. The historic bouts of volatility look set to continue. In my view, that will risky assets will only be able to make a sustainable rally once we get indications that the total number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the U.S. and in the world have started to top out. Be sure to check out my weekly article. I covered 3 stocks which have shown resilience in the current market turmoil. I focus on 3 stay-at-home names really to take advantage of the current market action. Be sure to check that out. Link will be in the comments below. On to number 3. U.S. oil prices have fallen to a 17-year low. Really, oil has been hit by a double whammy of demand concerns as a result of the coronavirus outbreak, as well as fears of a price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia as they battle for market share to grab back market share from U.S. American shale oil producers. U.S. WTI prices are down another 6% this morning, trading below the 2016 low of 26.05, now at 25.84. So really WTI oil prices in a world of pain so far this year, off by 60% in the first 3 months of 2020. On to number 4. Safe havens are selling off, as well as really market players are just clinging on to the theme of sell everything in order to raise liquidity. Pretty much 10-year bond yields, which just a week ago were trading at all-time lows near the 0.3% level, are now back at 1.2% as this historic snapback rally continues. Gold is also being pressured down 2%, to taking it below the 1,500 mark. Just a week ago, we were talking about gold at 1,700 with its sights set on 2,000. So really, in times of market turmoil like this, no asset is really considered safe. And finally, number 5, in corporate news, Boeing is seeking tens of billions of dollars in a financial federal bailout as the company really is facing a massive liquidity crunch, according to reports. Boeing is seeking $60 billion in guaranteed loans for the U.S. aerospace industry. How much of that $60 billion it needs for itself, it did not specify. However, Boeing stock, which is down 44% in the past week alone on fears that the company is facing a liquidity crunch. So pretty much it's trading at its lowest level since 2016. Boeing is on track to open down another 9% in pre-market. So keep your eyes on that one, just in case President Trump just on Tuesday came out with some strong words of support. saying he would back a Boeing bailout. So keep your eye on that name today. Obviously, it's a big down name, has a lot of weighting on the index, and has been a big drag on it as well. That's it for me for today. Be sure to subscribe to the Investing.com channel on YouTube. Like these videos over there, rate them, provide comments and feedback. I'll be very obviously welcome to read that. That's it for me. May the trading gods be with you. Stay safe, everybody, and be healthy.